So today we have to solve a question. The question is, a 12-meter tall tree is to be photographed with a pinhole camera. It is situated 15 meters away from the pinhole. How far should be the screen be placed from the pinhole to obtain a 12 centimeter tall image of the tree? So first you have to write what are given in the question. Given the height of the tree is given 12 meter. So that is the object. So height of object is given 12 meter and it is situated 15 meter away from the pinhole. So that is the object distance. So object distance U is given 15 meter. So by using the sign convention, it will be minus 15 meter because it is situated left to the pinhole camera. So this will be minus 15 meter. And how far should be the screen to be placed from the pinhole to obtain a 12 centimeter tall image of the tree? That means height of image is given 12 centimeter and it is asked at which distance the screen is to be placed to find the image. That is, image distance is asked. So first, these two terms are in the unit of meter and this is in the unit of centimeter. So you have to convert it into meter. So this will be 0.12 meter. And you have to use the formula of magnification. And the formula of magnification M, the formula is height of image HI divided by HO, that is equals to minus image distance V divided by the object distance U. And here the height of image is given 0.12 meter. So you can write 0.12 divided by height of object is given 12 meter, that is equals to, you have to find out V. So this will be minus V divided by U is given minus 15 meter, minus 15. That implies when you divide 0.12 in with 12, it will be 0.01 and that will be equals to V divided by 15. That implies V will be 0.01 into 15, that is 0.15 meter, or that is equals to 15 centimeter. So you find V, that will be 15 centimeter, or that will be equals to 0.15 meter. So this is the required answer. That means the screen is to be placed at 15 centimeter from the pinhole to obtain a 12 centimeter tall image of the tree. So the answer is 15 centimeter. Thank you.